Today we're going to change the fuel filter on a Stihl TS420 cut-off saw. First of all, make sure you take all precautions before working around fuel and fumes. Unlock the fuel tank cap and make sure the tank is empty of fuel. For easier access, you can remove the cap by releasing the ball that tethers it to the machine. Then locate the fuel filter inside the tank and begin to pull it out of the tank. You may need to use a tool to reach the hose. Once located, pull out the fuel filter so it's hanging outside of the machine. Remove the old fuel filter by simply pulling it from the rubber tubing. Attach your new fuel filter onto the rubber tubing by pushing it into the hose. Then replace the filter back into the tank. Whilst you are looking at this part of the machine, you may want to check the two seals on the fuel cap, making sure they haven't become worn or started to deteriorate. This is important to check as tired seals may cause fuel leaks. When refitting the cap, remember to click the tether back onto the tank. That's how you change the fuel filter on a Stihl TS420. All the parts and tools needed for the task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.